Welcome to the series Bike Upgrades. Today I show you my 3D printed rear storage box for the GIANT TRNITY. I ordered the box from custombikeaccessories.com and I paid $200 plus shipping. Here's the bike without the rear box mounted. And here's the bike with the box mounted on the seat post. The box is size large and also the GIANT TRNITY is frame size large. Two magnets at the end of the cap keep the box safely closed. I have already raced 90 kilometers and the box didn't cause any problems. The cover is also secured on a thin string. Perhaps the only problem is that you cannot change the seat post when the box is mounted. Other than that, the box sits firmly and securely on the seat post and does not bounce. Here are some measures and the weight. So what fits into the box? Spare tube, tire lever, CO2 cartridge, CO2 pump head and a multi-tool. There is still plenty of space left and you can fit in another tube, for example. Any alternatives on the market? Well, I just found the Radsport eBird Aero toolbox, and the box is around 175 euros plus shipping as well. This box is mounted above the button bracket on the frame, but I find the box very small compared to the box on the seat post. If you have any questions, then feel free to comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching and have a good day. Bye bye.